Hello, amazing people. Welcome back, fearless humans. In this informative video, our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 31 divided by 31 over 35, then times 35. First, we do this multiplication. 31 over 35 times 35. We can easily cancel this 35 and this 35. So here we have this 31 only, and 31 divided by 31 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication, then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 31 divided by 31 over 35. To do this division, write down the 31, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 35 over 31. And here again, we have times 35. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 31 and this 31, which gives 35. And here again, we have times 35. So here we have this 35 times 35, which equals 1225. And this is our final answer to this problem. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below.